Hey guys, just received a new package today and it's the new Spinnaker with the metal bracelet. It's the Bradner SP5062. So here we go. Just have a quick look. This is the box with the info SpinnakerWatches.com. Here we go. So I will remove this one. Yeah, feel better now. So I don't know if you see quite good, but on the camera, but if I go on the light, maybe more light, you see it's like blue or black. It depends on the color of the light, and the watch is looking quite good, as you can see. Hell yeah, we will. It's nice bezel. Oh, I didn't notice this, but you can also see the movement on the here. Yeah. And the brand name is on the water also. So I think it probably looks good on video, but I really think that if you see it in real, it will look even better, because yeah, you see here, it's like reflect on the bezel. If you move, it's become black or kind of blue. So we're gonna make a full video and a full review on the website for sure, so stay tuned.